Meaning of gentleman.
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 Gentleman. Gentleman is a term used to describe a man who possesses qualities that are associated with good manners, courteousness, and respectful behavior towards others. A gentleman is someone who acts with dignity, kindness, and empathy towards everyone he interacts with, regardless of their social status, gender, or race. He is known for his honesty, integrity, and uprightness in all his dealings, whether personal or professional. A true gentleman is an inspiration to others, and his actions serve as a model for what it means to be a decent human being in society today.